Good morning, everyone. This is a video to kind of help you navigate through the first assignment for the online school here at Jalen Rose. Again, I'm Mr. Nullum, your STEM teacher. This is your first assignment. This assignment is due this Friday. If you're not able to complete the assignment, it would not count. It would not penalize you, but it is very imperative for you to try to complete the assignments as much as possible because these are going in a grade book and you will have to make up the work if you can't complete it somehow, some way. So let's get started. So just to kind of go over what you're supposed to do, all right, it's all in directions, and I'm going to just kind of give you just an overview on how to navigate the assignment so you don't not confuse or anything. All right, so the first part is a simulation where it's just teaching you basic unit conversions. I just wanted to go over unit conversions again because this is going to be a crucial skill needed for our next topic, which is going to be drones. And the second part is pretty much an assessment, four questions to assess your understanding of unit conversions. And I'm going to try to do one of those for you. All right, so it says open the practice CK-12 foundation app, and that's this here. So if you open that, let that load in. All right, you can just hit join. You won't need to worry about going to like a specific login. All right, so when you hit the link and you log in, it's going to give you a set of questions, and you just pick the questions based off of what you know, and you hit check it to see if you got it correct. Okay. While doing this part, would like for you to have a sheet of paper and some pencil so you can practice the work. All right, the video in the Google Classroom pretty much shows you how to use unit conversions, and the unit conversion sheet is what you're going to use to get your conversion factors. All right, so these in this sheet it has all the conversion factors you would need. You would just need to search for it. Okay. Um, So after you go through that first part and you attempt it 9 out of 10, 90%, then you will go to the second part. All right, so the second part, it says open up the Google Doc, which is the answer sheet or dimensional analysis. So that's this part here. And this is just the answer sheet, okay? This is the answer sheet to the answer questions to the Word file called link. So you're going to answer these four questions on this link here by typing in the letter. Okay. And then once you're done with that, you're going to go to the top right corner and hit turn in. It's going to look like that for you. It doesn't look like that for me because I'm the teacher. All right. And you're going to complete those four questions by selecting A, B, C, or D for each question, 1 through 4. And then from there, you can just hit turn it. Okay. All right. So let's try the first problem. So it says a student is reading a fictional book at about 300 words per minute. Convert the rate to words per second. Okay. So if let's see. All right. So here's the document. I have it pasted on here so I can write on it. Okay. So if we try to answer this problem, so it says that we want to convert 100 words per minute to, 300 words per minute to 300 words per second. Okay. So if we look at this here, we have two conversions. We have to words and we have minutes. And it seems that we want to keep words, but we're going to change the minutes to seconds. Okay. So this is the only one that's going to change. So that's why I have one T-chart here, because I only have one conversion factor. Okay. So in order for me to convert 300 words per minute to 300 words per second, or just change the words to seconds, I need to figure out how many seconds are in minutes. Okay. So if you go to your conversion sheet and you try to look for it, seconds is time. So we're going to look for the time units. All right, so it says 1 minute equals 60 seconds. So that is my conversion. So my conversion factor. All right, so I have my conversion factor, 60 seconds equals 1 minute. All right, and the way that you do the conversion, you want the bottom unit to match the top right unit. So I want to find the number that has a minute next to it in this conversion factor here. And I put the other number with a different conversion factor at the bottom. So for example, if this is minutes, this has to be minutes so they can cross out. And then I'm going to look at the number that has minute next to it, and that's 1. And that equals 60 seconds. And you can see here that the correct answer for that one is A. Okay, so you're going to go to your answer sheet and you're going to type in A. All right, so you have until Friday to complete the rest of the sheet, 1 through 4. All right, please email me or message me on Google Classroom if you have any questions. Yeah, so thank you all. Appreciate it. Bye-bye.